What if I told you you can generate fully researched SEO optimized blog post with 300 words, key takeaways, refined title, outline, final draft, and meta description, and even an image, all generated under 12 minutes? Would you believe me? Well, I have built this entire automation in this video, and I'm going to walk you through the exact step so that you can build this too. One of the most time consuming tasks for SEO writers is process of writing long form high quality SEO article which will rank. It includes research of scrub, identify search intent, brainstorm a compiling title, outline a post, write thousands of words, edit it, format it for SEO, design image, then publish it. It's exhausting and honestly most people give up halfway. But here's a good news. With the rise of AI and automation with tools like n8n, OpenAI, and Google Docs automation, you can turn what used to be a 6 to 10 hours job into 10-minute automated process. It's not the whole thing. You still have to research keywords, titles, but the composing of body can be done via AI. Let me show you how. Okay, let me give you a brief overview how this entire workflow works. First, it gets the post titles and keyword which we have researched using tools like Ahref and SEMrush. After that, it research the scrub using scrub API and OpenAI. Then after that, it set those scrub details. Then it define a refined title for your blog post. After that, it will move on to setting a key takeaway for your blog post which user will get away with. After that, it will move to set up outline of your blog post. After that, it will set up your main body. Since it has outline now, it can set up the whole thing which will be well formatted and have a greater flow compared to just writing the entire thing in a one go. After that, it will take title, key takeaways, outline, and the whole body and compose one single article. All right. After we get that, let me move. It will do a final edit and it will generate metadata for the final SEO article. Then we will generate an image using OpenAI. After generating the image, we will save everything in a Google Doc and update the link which we get from Google Doc into our post, which we have originally scrapped data from. Okay, let's go into much detail and I will explain how each node or each part of the system works. Okay, first we need to set up this Google Sheet. I will share the template with you guys, which will has a OG title and OG keyword. This you get from your SEO research. Okay, then it has few more things, that is new title, which will our refined title, link to the article which will be linked to Google Doc, SEO title, description, and URL. Okay, let's move back and see how it is working. First we will execute this node which will get the data for us. Now you can see we have 6 SEO titles along with keywords. Now we will start looping and start doing the scrub research. After search research, we will define a refined article based on the research we did so far. Okay, for this we are using this user prompt along with this system prompt. You are expert in creating highly engaging SEO optimized article title that drives clicks and rank well in search engine. So we are giving him a persona. Okay, then we set up key takeaways based on title and the scrub research we did. Okay, let's see how much it has executed now, and I will meet you again when the whole this part is generated. Okay, till the first part of the workflow is running, I will explain what SERP is. So you need to create a SERP API, that is a Google service, and it will give you an API key with some free credits. Okay, so what SERP is, when you search anything on Google, you get various parts like from source across web. So this is different things. Then we have videos, we have quick summary of the thing, then we have discussion and forum coming from Reddit, n8n community, Quora, and we have alternate searches. These are all are part of SERP. Okay, so what this API does is it gets this data into a JSON format. If you can see this, you get a JSON format data which our AI agent or LLM or ChatGPT can read better. All right, so this is SERP, and let's see how much. Okay, we have completed this much part, and let's see what data we have. Oh, so it has scraped data as well as setup, title, and key takeaway. So first we have a scrub writing keywords and insight nodes, which extract data from Google and set it in a structured manner, such as search intent will be informational, writing style will be data driven and technical, writing tone will be informative and practical, and other things. Okay, which we have done using a thing called in n8n called structured output. Okay, requires specific out format. After you define or toggle this, you will get an option to attach output parser. Here I have selected defined using JSON schema, and you can generate this JSON schema using ChatGPT, or they have given proper documentation like this JSON schema, and you can read this, or you can simply ask ChatGPT, it will generate you the schema. For this schema, we have enums such as informational, transactional, navigational, commercial, has a search intent, and other thing as well. Okay, after it gets SERP result, keyword, and insight, it refines the title. Again with structured output, we have structured output here. Then it moves to set this new title, and it generate key takeaways now. And if you can see, we do not have a structured output here because we just want text out. Okay, this is the whole thing. You can see this is the whole thing it has gave us. After that, we move to second part of our content creation from where we outline the agent, like what will be the structure of our blog. Then we set the main body. Since we have a structured, we have title, we have key takeaways, we have search result, we can compose a final body. After getting a final body, we compose everything together, like outline, main body, title, sub result, everything into one final article. And after getting that one final article, we do a final edit to check for any corrections. After we get corrections out, we generate post metadata, that is title and description. After we are done with that, we set metadata and generate image using ChatGPT Sora, and we set that image in again a set node. Then we finalize the final post and add it to the drive. So this was the part 2. I will run the part 2 now, and we will see what kind of data we have generated. Okay, so we have executed the second step as well as the first step, and we have the final data with us, where we can see title, SEO description. Let me focus SEO description, SEO title. Then we also have image. Let me copy the image. This is the URL for image. It is quite long because it is signed URL for security purpose. If we click on it, we can see the image it has generated for us. So this is the image that it has generated for us. You can use different model. I'm using the cheapest model there is. If you use better model, you will get better output. And recently there are many models which can produce better and higher quality output. I'm just saving my credit here. Okay, so we got the data. Now we will execute the final steps and add everything to our Google Doc. All right, the final part is executed. We have created a folder where we have stored our doc. Then we updated our doc. First we created a doc, then we inserted content into it. Then we made it public so everyone can see it. Then we created a set node which will have all the data we need to store. For example, here we have the link of the doc we want to see. Let me open this. So you see this is the doc. Okay, we will copy this and see in the markdown. So it has mentioned all the 10 real world scenarios such as marketing automation, sales automation, human resources, finance, etc. Okay, with conclusion and with image. If we click on this, we will see the image. Here we have 10 services or etc. services here listed here. Okay, so everything is generated. So we have executed the entire workflow, and we can see we have added 5 items to the Google Sheet. Now if you go over to Google Sheet and check, it has indeed added links, optimize SEO title, maximize AI efficiency with n8n AI powered workflow automation and real world use cases. Discover how it n8n automates. Yeah, it has created everything along with the article link. If we go over to article, we can see it is formatted in Markdown, but there is an issue with Google Docs. Like, I have tried to solve this problem, but there is no real solution to this problem. What you can do is simply use a tool name as Markdown Preview. This is the first one, Markdown Live Preview. Paste your text and you will get a formatted one. You can simply copy this one and paste again, and you will get a formatted document. I don't know, it's funny how the Google Docs work. It does not allow to have a proper Markdown formatting. But anyways, you can use this trick to format your document better. With that, you have seen how you can generate SEO optimized, well-structured blog post, which will have a better title, SEO description, outline, flow, and that will help you rank faster. Again, if you like this video, do give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comments what else you want to see in future. Also, comment any feedback you have for me. I will definitely try to improve. Bye bye.